How to get Texture ID in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about finding a Texture ID in Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. After that, once you're in the Roblox website, click on the Create at the top that you will find between the Marketplace and the Search section. Tap on Create. Now tap on Store. Now click on Store in the top that you will find between Learn and Talent option. Tap on it. Click on the images that you prefer. Look at the URL in the address bar in the top. And the numbers after store/asset/ are the texture ID. You just need to simply highlight these numbers, right click on it, and then tap on Copy. Or you can hit Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and this will be copied on your keyboard. Now copy the texture ID to use it in your Roblox games. You can also click on Get Decode to find the ID, and I hope this helps. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.